Hey guys, let's talk about one of the top communication tools that will be used in our class this year, and that is class announcements. There's a variety of different things you might get there, just to information about the class, changes to an assignment, what you need to do that day. Sometimes I just send you quick congratulations, or sometimes there are even mini lessons in there. They always populate here on your home page. And you do want to make sure that this arrow is clicked down so that you are able to see them when you log into your class. Now, if sometimes you might miss an announcement, or you might just forget to check those announcements daily. So you can do something really awesome where you can get those announcements emailed or sent to you as a text message. So when you log into our class, on the landing page, your name should be up here. If you click on your name, then you get this drop-down menu. You want to click on notifications. And once in notifications, you can check the contact method that the OHS has for you. They have an email address listed. If it's not the best one, you can change it. They probably don't automatically have a cell phone number listed, but if you want to put your cell phone number there to get text message notifications, you can add your cell phone number there. And then you want to scroll down here. Now there are lots of different options that you can peruse through to see what might work best for you as far as notifications in the class. But I suggest that you definitely put a check mark beside getting emails or text messages for any new announcements or any updated announcements in the class. And that way you have that information directly sent to you. Once you put those check marks in and you click save, then anytime I put in a class news announcement, it'll also be either emailed or text message to you. So I hope that is a helpful tip to keep you in the know this year for American literature.